You and I both have caught some teeny bluegill. Oh yeah, I seen that one. Reel them on in. Nice one, dude. It's a little better than the last one. You want me to take a picture with it? Get you a picture with it? Huh? Is it picture worthy? It's a heck of a blow up. You should have brought your GoPro. Got another one? That's a better one too. Stay on, stay on. Above all those lily pads, you got him again. Oh, I'm stuck. Or did. My first one on the popper. Other side is still full. Got one. Oh, it's a pig too. Got him. It's another 3-pounder.
That's a toad, bro.
Maybe 2. It's a toad.
You want me to go get my scale?
Yes, please. Oh yeah. That's a nice one. Say a solid 2.5. Maybe 3. It's a nice fish. Flipping that strike cane structure jig. No, it's actually the Hack Attack with a strike cane KVD rodent on the back. Good deal. It's a nice fish. Andrew, what do you think? 2.5 or 3? I'd say it's close to 3. I'd say at least 2.5. He's at least 2.5. So I've caught some 2-pounders, and this is maybe a main 2-pounder. Let's say 214, 215. It was basically a 3-pounder. Just a few ounces off. Take a couple pictures. Back in the slop he goes. Sweet. Turkeys! I thought I heard something putting earlier. There's a whole bunch of baby turkeys. There's another one over there. There's like a dozen of them, dude. Man. I've never seen the babies before. I've shot tons of turkeys. You got a fish? You got one? I'm coming. Big boy. What do you say? How many pounds? Fuck. Yeah, I see him. Got him.
I know I have him hooked. Took these lily pads.
Just don't break your line. Take it easy. Take it easy. He's coming.
There he is. He might not be as big as I thought. But he blew it up all the way far out. He blew up real far out.
Alright, here.
Hold on, no, don't hail on him.
Alright.
Wait, whip him when he gets close.
Just try not to break the line. Just take it easy.
I know.
I don't even see him. Oh, there he is.
There he is.
He might be bigger than you think. Can we get Bro and go out there for you? Yeah, I don't think he's moving. I'm gonna take off my boots.
I know I have him hooked. I hooked that fucker like crazy. I wasn't looking at another fish.
I'll be a bro.
I lost 2 big hits up there.
I'll be a bro and I'll take one for the team.
You don't have anything in your pocket, do you?
No idea. Hopefully a fucking snap turtle will come and eat me. Bastards. Is the red light on?
Yeah. Oh shit, dude.
Nah, I hope there ain't a fucking snap turtle. He's right there.
Alright, here, let go. I'm gonna bring him in.
No, he's stuck. No, he's stuck. You're gonna break your line. He's stuck on a lily pad. He's barely hooked. He's hooked on one treble hook.
Alright, dude, that's trouble up in there.
It's just one though. I can see it. Oh. I did all that for a little pounder.
Shit, dude, I thought he was bigger.
See, I told you he was barely hooked.
Oh, that's in there though.
Dude, he broke one of your truck and treble hooks.
God fucking damn it. That was a $9 bait.
$9 bait. I'm soaking wet in swamp water. You're welcome.
Is it worth it?
Fuck no.
You want my socks?
No.
Think it's worth it?
You do. I'm me.
I'd do it for you. And now I owe you one.
Alright.
I'll go in for your next fish.
I got braids, so that doesn't really happen. But I'll keep that in mind. It's not a bad fish. It's healthy. Yeah. That's 4 fish for you today, right? And it's the last fish or you're about to leave. Yeah. Alright guys, and that's going to be the end of the video for today. I've been flipping. I tried top water early in the morning, didn't really work out for me. Andrew's been using a popper on the top of the water. And he's caught 3 fish and I've caught 1 fish. I caught a 3-pounder and all of his were about a pound, maybe a little more. So, overall it was a good day. We didn't get skunked. That's pretty much it. I think we're going to sign out here, roll out, and I'll see you next video.